Number 1. MGB 1979 year of issue. Great running and driving convertible 4-speed manual transmission. Everything works exactly how it should. Has some wear on the seats, otherwise very responsive and comfortable aftermarket radio with upgraded speakers. Come take a look. Number 2. Ford Thunderbird, 1966 year of issue. There is no rust yet and the interior is very complete. Headliner is not good and the dashboard is cracked. The seats are in good shape, one small hole in the driver, very straight body. Rust repair is very expensive and this car does not need it. Hard to come across complete body and trimmed cars these days. Could be original paint or repaint the same color, bumpers are nice. Number 3. Chrysler 300, 1964 year of issue. You are looking at a hard-to-find 1964 Chrysler 300K convertible with code 845 on the trim plate designating it as a true 300K convertible. This is a very rare project car that needs restoring. It is an automatic car with a 413 cubic inch V8 engine and is pretty solid. This is a very solid Western car. It was born a black car with white bucket seat interior. This is a very rare and solid car. Number 4. Cadillac DeVille, 1969 year of issue. The original owner of the car put around 65,000 miles on it. Then the car sat for about 10 years. After that, the second owner bought it with plans to rip the motor out and use it for another project, but realized the car was way too complete to part out or toss aside. This car is just shy of 20 feet long. Its 472 or 7.7 liter motor is free of choking emissions equipment, allowing it to make 375 HP and 525 lb of torque originally. Power is put to the ground with a turbo 400 3-speed auto that is slushy and smooth in all the right ways for a car like this. Number 5. Lincoln Cosmopolitan. (1949 year of issue). Great opportunity to own one of the rarest cars available. Located in Bennington, Vermont. (1949 car, would love to see this car find a good home. Asking $7,250. Number 6. Honda Civic, 1979 year of issue. The car has 56,000 original miles and is equipped with CVCC, which stood for Compound Vortex Controlled Combustion. This car does runs and drive. A front-wheel drive, front-engine compact hatchback with a choice of 3, 5 doors and 4 seats. With 54 GP, the naturally aspirated 1.2-liter 8V inline-4 gasoline engine, Honda E-Series EB3, accelerates this Civic to 62 miles per hour in 15.0 seconds and onto a maximum speed of 93 miles per hour. Having a curb weight of 1,565 pounds, it achieves 27.6 mpg on average and can travel 277 miles before requiring a refill of its 10-gallon capacity fuel tank. It comes with a 4-speed manual gearbox. The car has some minor imperfections on paint that can be corrected with TLC. Number 7. Mercedes-Benz 300 TD, 1979 year of issue. Equipped with an automatic transmission, inline-5 engine, power-assisted steering, single exhaust outlet, disc brakes, sunroof, body side moldings, four-spoke steering wheel, power windows, chrome luggage rack on roof, air conditioning, cruise control, door pockets, glove box, Mercedes-Benz branded hubcaps, a full-size spare tire, and a spacious cargo area at the rear provides ample storage space. Under the hood, this station wagon turbo diesel boasts a strong running engine, a testament to the engineering prowess of the brand. However, it is important to note that the car is currently not driving since the transmission will need to be recommissioned. Number 8. Chevrolet Chevel, 1977 year of issue. (1977) Chevel Malibu, classic fastback 2 Dr. Bodywork is done. Floor and trunk is Rhino liner under the engine bay. Is all painted gloss black. The frame is painted and done. It comes with grille and all trim pieces and headlight bezels. New weather, stripping a lot of new parts, rebuilt Posey differential. No engine or transmission. Posey 8.5 inches. Differential, great project car. You can get it ready for the summer. I just don't have any time to finish it. Comes with lots of new parts.